Hello YouTube friends, thank you for watching my video first and my first video and also my last video was I showed my hyperlink setup, and then in that video is I was showing my tools and what kind of using, and then currently I'm using the DMS shell, and this shell it it really looks cool. And then few days ago, as a DMS shell has released 1.2, and then new version is so many changes, and then also nearly cool feature is added. So today's I want to check what kind of the feature is coming, and then I will also try to some configurations migrate for the new version together in this video. Okay, uh, I already upgraded the shell, so let's check. The settings view is also changes so many things. First, there is a search box is added, and then we can now search some text. And so let's check about, and then currently DMS is a 1.2.2, and two, as I know, 2 days ago is released on 1.2, and then now also some minor fix was updated. So first check the release change log. So the DMS 1.2 Spice Missile release. Okay, what is the new things? First, yeah, now is added the desktop widget and then plugins. See that it quite looks good, like like a system monitors, and then desktop command. This thing is also I think a cool features. And then theme registry. As I know before the try to change the theme, and then maybe the manually download it and then applying. But now in the settings, I think we can download the themes. Let's check. Uh, no, I don't think so. Plugins? No. Let me check. Browser. Oh, here's. Yeah, as maybe before there is not a browser buttons. Instead, there is the default by default is was the cappuccino themes, but now the generic and auto and custom and then browser. Then we can the search the new themes and then applying the directory. It's cool. And then yeah, native clipboard history. Now DMS is support clipboard service internally, so we don't need to think about the other clipboard applications. That is also cool. The monitor configurator. Yeah. For example, like KDE or GNOME shares supported so many graphical settings. so we can easily change it, this kind of configurations. But like a kind of the hyperland, nitty, or like other uh, the tiling managers, uh, that kind of systems in the change in the monitor configuration is usually try to do it manually in the terminals, but now we can change it. This thing is also in the settings. Cool. Then notification improvement. Yeah, we can check the notifications. Oh, it's not here. But the before is only checked the current notification, but now we can see the histories. That's cool. And then cursor and layout configurations. Okay. Uh, for example, the in the hyperland for changing the cursors, we try to set the environment and also uh, learn the hyper cursors maybe that command, but now we can change it with the settings. And DMS doctors. Okay, this thing is maybe the checking the system check. Oh, let me see where to use these things. The settings. Maybe not in there. It's about. Oh yeah, maybe this thing system check. Then okay. My case is most of thing is okay, but the 5 is info level. Yeah, right. Okay. Let's try to the configures like some options later, and then keyboard shortcut editor. Oh, now is we can change the key bindings in the settings. That's cool. Setting searches. Now Altier support is also I think it's good for the some specific the language users. That's cool. Launcher improvement. Maybe this thing is a search, but for to me actually I don't use the TMS search, but it is good for the some other people's. And then yeah, also supporting some package. And okay, that's it. And then here is some the breaking change about the breaking changes is how to migrate the before configurations. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, I know these things, but like so let's try to migrate the configurations now. But before that, uh, let's check some settings. The layer, what kind of is in here? Wallpaper section is nothings and theme in here. Oh yeah, there is a color then. And yeah, I'm not the settings with the cursors, the DMS now, so that's why here is the pop-up, the configure. Let's do it later, and maybe this template is also before. I think yeah, there is no, but maybe add it now. because the before only icon them and then system them is also them is here. This thing is also cool. Typography, no time. There is also no sound. Bar configurations. Maybe here is the layout settings. I don't know. Okay, let's check the others. The widget, workspace. Oh, this thing is maybe workspace experience. What is that? Origin color focus. Okay. Here is this color is can change now. Okay. Media. I think nothing changed. Notifications. Okay. Oh yeah, history settings because there's a new features. On screen. Nothing. Loading apps. I think this section is added. Okay. Let's check later. System updater and desktop widget. Okay. Actually, I already added the system monitors. It's so cool. Looks that. Yeah, can see and then yeah, I can see the CPU and memory and network. Yeah, it's so cool. And then currently there is a not much, not many widget, but it's, I think the create a widget is quite easy. It can make with the QML. So I think the next video is I will try to make some widget. So I think it's a really good feature. And dock launchers. Okay. Oh yeah, here is a keyboard shortcut. Yeah, I'm also currently I using some the different set configurations in the hyperlink. So yeah, I will do some later this thing also. And display, yeah, configurations better. Here is also the maybe the can change but not affected yet because I didn't include these settings. Gamma control, widget. Okay, and the system clipboard. Yeah, here the new feature. So here is you can set the maximum history size and auto clear and also can disable history persons. Okay. Lock screen and power plugins. Okay, cool. That's so cool. So now let's try to migrate my configuration some. Okay, move. First, I want to edit these settings to manage my monitor configurations. So let's go to the hyperend configurations. Actually, in my case, I'm using the mic configurations. Oh, what is that? Ah, I think because of the uh, this settings, yeah, there is added a new color profile for the new beams, but I don't want to use this. So disable and then wait, check. Okay, blue, maybe, yeah, this file is edit now, so mm, just I want to delete. Okay, then back to the hyperlink configurations. Lazy. Okay, I want to clean. Good. So in my case, I'm managing my hyperlink configuration like this: the colors and then some, yeah, environment, and then execute things, and general setting and plugin settings, and then rules, and then also key binding. I use the hyper scrolling plugin, so because of that, I separate the binds the two files: layout, the basic layout, and then scrolling layout. So and then I made some script like a toggle layout. So if the run this script, then the change it this line like this. So change my bind and then the run the other yeah, scrolling layout. So I think because of that, configuring the keyboard shortcut for this and these things maybe a little bit complicated. So I think let's do the later these things, and first let's do this. So I think to configure the these configurations, basically this option is will be, yeah, changed from the here the monitor these sections. So first let's try to uh, click these buttons. Fix now. Okay, something is happens because my screen is suddenly big because the scale is changing. Let's check the change the disk is 1.25. Apply. Okay, that's cool. Keep change. And also there is a many options like colors, color profiles, mirror display, and so what is changed? Like so there is a hyperend backup file is suddenly created. That means DMS changed my main configurations. So let's check what is changed. Like okay, source the DMS outputs in here. So what is the DMS output? Yes, okay, there is the monitor configuration. So then just simply I think DMS configurations and do this. And then I will just my original these things. Uh, I think that it's okay just to leave it because this configuration is the override will override, so just leave it. Okay, easy. Mm. And then there is also another conf, like a colors and layout. Mm, okay, layout is where the change in the settings. Check. Here's hyperlink layout overrides. Override gap and override corner radius and override border size. Yeah, this settings is these things. So let's check what it happens. Like okay, like this. 2 pixels, pixels. Then okay, change it. But this thing is not included my original hyperlink configuration. So let's try to do this. Let's wait, apply. Then maybe if I change it this thing, then my border is also will be changing. Yeah, see, like this. This can configure the settings. That's cool. Also in corner and the no-bright gaps, not bad. Okay, then let's finish just now, and I will try to the other settings later. And okay, everything is cool. The DMS is now basically so many features in there. So mm, now it's I think so easy to set up on the like a tiling window managers. Before the try to set up the like these shares and then so many things. It's quite a mm, some people to some people it will be hard, but now like DMS and all other shares like an Octalia and Celestia and this old tool is also good. So yeah, that's it. And then I think next time I will try to make the widget. So look forward at that things, and then thank you for watching today and see ya.